Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Lighting the Pilot Light on a Whirlpool gas oven is a common task for older models. If your oven is not heating, the Pilot Light may be out. Before you begin, ensure your kitchen is well ventilated. If you smell a strong gas odor, do not proceed. Call a professional instead. To start, open the broiler drawer or remove the bottom oven panel. Look for a small metal tube near the back. This is the pilot assembly. Turn the oven control knob to the off position. Then, turn the knob to the pilot setting. Push the knob in and hold it down firmly. This allows a small amount of gas to flow to the burner. Use a long multipurpose lighter to reach the pilot burner safely. Hold the flame near the tip of the tube. Once the pilot ignites, continue holding the knob for about 30 seconds. This heats the safety sensor called a thermocouple. Release the knob slowly. The flame should stay lit on its own. If the flame goes out, wait 5 minutes for gas to clear. Then, try the process one more time. After the pilot stays lit, turn the oven knob to your desired temperature. You should see the main burner ignite from the pilot flame. Replace the bottom panel or close the broiler drawer. Your Whirlpool oven is now ready for use. Check the flame occasionally to ensure it remains blue and steady. Proper maintenance keeps your appliance running safely. Always follow the specific instructions in your owner's manual for your exact model. This simple fix saves time and money on repair bills every single year.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.